Hello, we're back again. Today I'm going to show you one of the commission artwork that I did last Christmas. So this one is very interesting and I really like it. So I hope you enjoy it as well. If you have a question, let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin with, get a picture from a client. I received two pictures, a hand holding hands and a anchor. So they wanted me to merge the two pictures and create an art per my style, and it would be a black and white concept. So I was playing in the computer, and then this is what I had designed. So at first, testing it and masking it, making it a sticker and merging it together, how it looks and stuff like that. It takes time in a computer, but you can really see the output. So it's really nice to play and edit in a computer first before you do your work. So when I get a commission or a request to paint, usually they send me pictures, and most of the time I play in a computer, make sure the rendering and the setup is nice, and send it back to them if they agree with it, and if they do, then I start doing it in the canvas. So this is the product that I need to follow to paint, and they like it, and we can go ahead and start. At first, I had to sketch it in the canvas. They requested a 16 by 20 canvas. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is a pencil sketch in there in the canvas. If, again, you're not comfortable doing a freehand sketch, you have to practice in a scratch paper. So this is the first day I finished couple of the section. Since this is only a black and white, it's a little bit harder to blend just the monotone colors in all the dark and the light section and stuff like that. So it's a challenge for me, but it did well, I think. And of course, in the following day we have a visitor, so I have to entertain my dog while I'm doing it. But as you can see, I started doing the background. It was darker at first because I want to see which one is best, if the dark or not. I ended up taking away the dark a little bit, so it's more not intense. And I think my dog likes it. So this is the color that I choose for the background. And I also finished the other hands. I think this is the first layer that I did. Again, always the layering of this is a lot. It might not show much each of the video that I'm showing you, but there's a difference every time I'm showing something because of the layering, more detailed in the hand, and also the shading, more shadings and stuff like that. And also adding the details on the anchor itself, the chain. So little stuff added in this section. And of course we added the varnish, so that's why it's a little bit sparkly in there and has glare. As you can see, that has 2 layers of varnish. And this is our finished product from the sketch that we did in the computer. It's pretty similar to me, and they enjoy it, and I'm happy that my client is happy. So again, thank you so much for joining me and hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you have a blessed day. Bye bye.